Welcome, engineers. Today we're exploring the Grams CC Interactive Calculator, a precision tool that solves density-related calculations. Essential for material selection, quality control, and component design. This calculator features 6 calculation modes, accessible through the drop-down. You can calculate density from mass and volume, calculate mass from density and volume, or calculate volume from mass and density. Calculate specific gravity from density, calculate density from specific gravity, or calculate mass percentage from component densities. For today's demonstration, we'll select Calculate Density from Mass and Volume. The input fields adapt based on your selected mode. In our density calculation mode, you'll see 2 primary inputs, mass in grams and volume in cubic centimeters. The calculator also includes fields for density, specific gravity, and for mixture calculations, mass and density of components. Let's work through a practical example. Imagine you're analyzing a custom aluminum alloy sample. Enter 54.2 in the mass field for our 54.2 gram sample. Enter 20.0 in the volume field for our 20 cubic centimeter measurement. Click Calculate. The primary result displays 2.71 grams per cubic centimeter, confirming this matches standard aluminum density. This density value tells you the material's mass concentration, critical for weight calculations in aerospace applications. Determining buoyancy in marine engineering, or verifying material authenticity and quality control. One common mistake: always verify your volume measurements account for any voids or surface irregularities that could skew calculations. Find the link in the description below.